What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. As you can see, we are back at Wayne Hay Performance, my absolute favorite workshop in the world. So Wayne is going to sort out the leak that I told you guys in the previous video. That's Zangetsu back there being parked by Wayne as we speak. So he's going to try and sort out the half moon seals that I wasn't able to properly sort out, just because I don't have the opportunity and the time to properly do that, and also because I don't want to mess it up this time. I left it with Wayne. And then they're going to see what they can do about it. So as you can see, here we are next to the almighty Hawkeye. Oh, actually it's a blow-by STI. I didn't see that properly the first time around. But yes, Zangetsu is about to get the attention he so desperately needs. And we'll have a conversation about this new intake in a bit. Stay tuned, maybe in this same video or another one. It's got to do with the story time video that I said I might or might not tell. Alright guys, welcome back. It's a few days later. I'm here outside Wayne Hay Performance and I'm here to pick up Zangetsu. I can already hear Zangetsu idling. I did send Wayne a message beforehand asking him to idle it for me so that I wouldn't be late for work. Good morning, guys. This is, I think, the next day from me picking Zangetsu up from Wayne, and I have some good news to report. The tappet cover issue seems to have been sorted out, although Wayne insists that he hasn't done the right thing, because the proper way to sort it out would be to take the engine completely out so that he can get proper access to the bottom of the tappet cover bolts, the ones that need to be replaced and re-threaded. But he did do what he could, and so far the results have been quite significant. I used to suffer a lot of smoking whenever I'd come to a stop in the car, even while I was driving, because of all the oil that was leaking onto the manifold and immediately burning. There doesn't seem to be any of that anymore at all, actually. In fact, even now, just before I go to work, I'm going to warm the car up and check the oil just to make sure there actually is oil in there. But the improvement seems to have been very, very significant. So that's a good job for Wayne Hay Performance as usual. I am never disappointed every time I work with him. So I'm quite happy about things right now. In fact, there was even a bit of a fire hazard that was actually being caused by all of the oil that was falling onto the manifold. Because the thing is, when the manifold gets hot enough, the oil that falls on it can actually ignite. And there was a small flame for some time in the engine bay, which Wayne did warn me about. You know, I almost changed the name of this channel to How to Train Your Dragon. But fortunately Wayne was able to sort this thing out, and I don't seem to be having that issue. I'm still not boosting as often as I would like to, in fact almost not at all, just because we're kind of in the testing phase of seeing how well the solution has worked, because it wasn't the final solution. But stay tuned and I'll let you know what the results are. But all in all, it feels super good to finally have this car back. When the mechanics are finally sorted out, the mechanical issues, which I think we're getting close to finishing, that's when we can finally address the glaring body issues that I don't even have to explain at this point. You can see them right in this frame right now. The mismatched color fender and the big ass dent on the quarter panel back there. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying until this far and hanging out with us and checking out how the progress is going with Zangetsu. But I'm on my way to work now, and after work I should be going to an event called Idle Expo. It's basically a car show being held in Monte Cassino, so I'm hoping to film some of that as well. So otherwise guys, until then, Thank you for all the support. I have been Zangetsu to my family, and if you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up icon to give us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual, people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.